Hello girls, let's learn English. Look at these verbs for some seconds. Okay, now make a list of the verbs you have just seen. How many of them do you remember? Don't worry if you don't remember all of them. It's okay if you just remember 5, 7, or 10, or maybe more. Clean, go, see, drink, have, do, take, play. Okay, if you remember more than this, that's okay. Very good. In this video, we are going to learn the use of the simple past to talk about past events. Look at these two charts. In the first one, there is a list of verbs in their present tense, and in the second one, there's a list of those verbs but in their past tense. Listen and repeat, please. Pay attention to the past tense of the verbs. Trained, went, bought, were, took, cleaned, saw, had, won, was, were, sent, traveled, ate, drank, played, did, left, made. Okay, girls, very good. Before we get started, it's good to know that there are two types of verbs, regular and irregular verbs. So, which ones are regular verbs? Which ones are irregular verbs? That's right. Trained, cleaned, traveled, played are regular verbs. The rest are irregular verbs. For regular verbs, we add ed to the base form of the verbs. So, remember, you have to add ed to the past tense of regular verbs. Train, trained, clean, cleaned, play, played, travel, traveled. Be careful with the spelling of some verbs. As I told you before, for regular verbs, we add ed to the base form of the verbs. Walk, walked. Play, played. Keep in mind verbs ending in an e add just the. For example, like, move. We also need to pay extra attention in verbs ending in a y, especially preceded by a consonant. Here the y becomes an I and add ed. For example, carry, carried. C-A-R-R-I-E-D. Study, studied. S-T-U-D-I-E-D. Pay attention to the verbs plan and stop. How do you spell them in their past tense? That's right. Planned, P-L-A-N-N-E-D. Stop, S-T-O-P-P-E-D. Remember, girls, be careful with the spelling of these verbs. Let's say some sentences in the past. Yesterday, I studied English. I cleaned my bedroom. I played with my brother. Now, try to say these examples. Okay, very good, very good. Let's continue. For irregular verbs, we do not have a simple rule for understanding past tense conjugations. There is no rule. You must simply practice to memorize them. Here, there is a list of irregular verbs in the present and the past tense. Listen and repeat, please. Sent, went, saw, did, bought, had, ate, took, was, were, drank, left, were, won, made. The spelling of these verbs changes in the past form. Remember, practice them to memorize them. Let's say some sentences. Last night, I did my homework. I had dinner with my family. We ate chicken. I saw a good movie. I went to bed at 11 o'clock. Okay, girls, now complete the sentences. Change the verbs in the box into the past tense. Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1. Very good. On Saturday, I ate a delicious hamburger. Now, number 2. Very good. My dad bought a new car. Number 3. Fantastic! 2 of my classmates traveled to Punta Sal last vacation. Number 4. Very good. Last night, I went to bed at 10 o'clock. Now, number 5. That's right. Marieta did her homework late. The next one. Very good. I cleaned my bedroom yesterday. Number 7. Very good. My favorite team won the championship. Number 8 now. Very good. My lunch was really good yesterday. Number 9. Good. Roberto took a lot of pictures with his camera. The last one. Great job. At 3 years old, I had many dolls. Good job, girls. Remember, use simple past for things that happened at a specific time in the past. So we need to know when it happened. For example, yesterday, this morning, last year. You have to also keep in mind the two types of verbs, regular and irregular verbs. Okay, girls, watch this video as many times as you consider necessary to reinforce what you have learned today. Goodbye. See you next time.